A cherry tomato field may look delicate, but every ripe cherry tomato begins inside a tightly managed industrial system. This cherry tomato cluster shows how color, skin tension, and fruit size develop together before any harvest begins. Cherry tomatoes provide vitamin C, antioxidants, water, fiber, and a naturally sweet, juicy bite. After flowering, the first tiny cherry tomato marks the stage when the field begins carrying visible yield. Cherry tomato plants produce small clustered fruit known for bright color, sweetness, and fresh texture. Cherry tomato harvest timing depends on color, firmness, and cluster condition rather than a single uniform moment. Across this cherry tomato farm, spacing, irrigation, trellis structure, and timing guide every stage of cherry tomato production. Industrial cherry tomato production begins with uniform cherry tomato seed, because even emergence supports a more predictable field. Cherry tomato trusses enlarge quickly, and even small differences in water or canopy balance can change the final load. Cherry tomato quality depends on balance, because cluster size, skin tension, and color all respond to steady field conditions. Machine-assisted cherry tomato harvest must stay gentle because ripe cherry tomato skin bruises long before volume is obvious. Industrial cherry tomato harvest depends on flow, so transport stays synchronized and keeps fruit moving without delay. Each harvested cherry tomato is individual, yet field success comes from guiding countless small steps toward one result.
From nursery stock to ripe clusters, the cherry tomato field becomes a visible record of timing and care.
A finished cherry tomato harvest still reflects canopy care, irrigation discipline, and the long rhythm of field growth. Harvested cherry tomato still carries the field with it, from skin sheen to the quiet marks of ripening and weather. Ripeness in cherry tomato harvesting appears in color, firmness, gloss, and the settled look of a mature truss. In the end, a cherry tomato field resolves into ripe fruit shaped by water, machinery, timing, and disciplined care. The story of cherry tomato farming ends where it began, with one truss carrying the logic of the whole field.